loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you guys a quick wig review on this wig that you see right here. So if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned.
To make her see the truth about my past. Impossible, she'd turn away from me.
He's holding back, he's hiding, but what I can't decide. Why won't he be the king I know he is? The king I see
So as you guys should have just saw, I did a quick unboxing of this unit right here, and so I just want to give you guys all the deets real quick. If you guys see that I am looking very cultured, very festive, as you guys know, Lion King is premiering. I believe it should be premiering probably tomorrow or like tonight, and so I am definitely a fan of Lion King. I absolutely love Lion King. I will watch Lion King with or without my kids, okay? And I know all the words, all right? Akuna Matata. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. So I'm super excited, definitely want to go see it. So I just felt like, why not just give you guys, you know, Black History Month in July, okay? So Gleemade was kind enough to send me this head wrap right here. If it's not, you know, perfect, then it's fine, because I'm used to the big head wraps, and I'm still learning how to do like these little mini ones. And so thank you so much, Gleemade, for sending me this head wrap. It was perfect for my Lion King theme. But as far as this unit that we are so loving right now, or at least I am, this unit is courtesy of West Kiss. As you guys know, I've worked with West Kiss. I believe this is my third time working with West Kiss, and I absolutely love West Kiss. I love their products. So you guys know, if I continuously bring you a company's unit, or if I continue to review for a company, that must mean that I like the quality of hair, and this unit is no different. I've already done their curly hair. I can't remember what the second one was. Maybe this is the second one. Y'all, I don't know. I can't keep up. But I do know that my curly unit, I absolutely rocked. I rocked that unit for my birthday hair. And I think I rocked that unit like 2 or 3 weeks, y'all. Straight 2 or 3 weeks. And so this unit is no different. I just kind of wanted to give you guys a quick, you know, initial review of the hair. So as far as all the deets, it is their body wave lace front wig. It's 20 inches and it's 180% density. And so this is me after I bleached the knots and then I washed the unit and let it air dry. And so this is the natural curl pattern. It does have some wave to it without me putting any heat or anything like it, and I can already tell that when I decide to like straighten it or curl it, that it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. I do show you guys, I'm getting it all in the way. I do show you guys, look at the hairline, y'all. Like, I didn't have to pluck this unit. I didn't have to do much of anything. I just swooped these baby hairs that already came with the unit. These are baby hairs as well, but look, they're long enough to kind of look like bangs. So I'm just kind of leaving them there because I feel like they still look natural. It's crazy because although I have this thing on, I feel like a little señorita, you know, giving you guys some spice. Or is it a Nubian goddess? You guys let me know. So yeah, I just definitely wanted to pay homage to Lion King. If you guys see my eyes, I'm kind of giving you guys, you know, safari, Africa-esque. That was the makeup inspired look, and so hopefully it all just kind of tied together. And so yeah, I love this unit. I'll try to show you guys how I style this unit in this video, but if not, just know that I will be styling it and you guys will be seeing it, okay? So yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.
Make her see the truth about my past. Impossible, she'd turn away from me.